As Bitcoin continues to capture the interest of investors in Zambia, it's crucial to approach the investment process with caution and diligence. In the vast and evolving world of cryptocurrency, safeguarding your assets is paramount. This guide aims to help you navigate the process of investing in Bitcoin in Zambia, emphasizing the importance of seeking guidance from a trusted local expert like Keith Rains to prevent potential scams. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Before diving into Bitcoin investments, take the time to educate yourself about the cryptocurrency market. Understand the basics of how Bitcoin works, the potential risks involved, and the factors that can influence its value. Reliable sources of information include reputable websites, books, and educational platforms dedicated to cryptocurrency. 2. Choose a trusted platform. Selecting the right platform for your Bitcoin investment is critical. Opt for well-established and reputable cryptocurrency exchanges that have a track record of security and reliability. Keith Rains, a local expert in Zambia, can guide you to trustworthy platforms, ensuring your investments are placed on secure and reputable exchanges. 3. Consult Keith Rains. Local expertise matters. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, having a local expert like Keith Rains on your side can make a significant difference. Keith Rains is a seasoned professional based in Zambia with a deep understanding of the local market. His expertise can help you navigate the nuances of Bitcoin investments, offering personalized guidance tailored to the specific challenges and opportunities in Zambia. 4. Beware of scams. Protect your investments. Unfortunately, the cryptocurrency space is not immune to scams. Be wary of promises that sound too good to be true and exercise caution when dealing with unfamiliar platforms or individuals. Consulting with Keith Rains adds an extra layer of security, as he can help you distinguish legitimate opportunities from potential scams. 5. Diversify your investments. As a general investment strategy, consider diversifying your portfolio. Don't put all your funds into a single investment. Diversification can help spread risk and increase the likelihood of achieving more stable and consistent returns over time. 6. Stay informed and updated. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic, with prices and trends changing rapidly. Stay informed by regularly following industry news, updates, and market analyses. Keith Rains can provide valuable insights to help you make informed decisions based on the latest developments in the crypto space. 7. Reach out to Keith Rains for guidance. If you have questions, concerns, or need assistance with your Bitcoin investments in Zambia, Keith Rains is just a message away. Consult him directly via WhatsApp at +26097770202 for personalized advice and support. With his local expertise, you can navigate the world of Bitcoin investments with greater confidence and security. Remember, investing in Bitcoin can be rewarding, but it's crucial to approach it with caution and seek guidance from trusted experts like Keith Rains to safeguard your financial interests. Happy investing!